JauntTV as we enjoy a wellness weekend at the Park Hyatt Aviara in Carlsbad. The Park Hyatt Aviara has a new standout program called the Wellness Academy. The Academy includes Vera Via, a one-of-a-kind, all-inclusive luxury fitness retreat designed to create lasting behavior and lifestyle changes. Vera Via removes all the obstacles you didn't know you had by treating the body, mind, and spirit. Fitness, stress, behavioral health, and weight loss are addressed with customized treatments guided by specialists. The resort's Golf Academy includes gears, a club fitting and instructional experience utilizing unique motion and technology analysis that undoes those bad habits and gets your swing on track. Surfing with a Chef is another great adventure which includes cooking meals with Chef Pierre after a surf lesson. The Tennis Academy, under the direction of Steve Halverson, focuses on an individual's needs instead of systems, making it a game changer for all ages and levels. Both surfing and tennis come with surprises upon completion. Enjoy one or all of these programs a la carte.